Hey everybody, 4 driver over here. It's a beautiful sunny day out. Perfect day to wash my Acura Integra. I got everything else set up and ready to be cleaned. So also thanks to Chemical Guys, I'm trying out their sticky citrus gel wheel cleaner. So let's go straight into it. So as you know, they just released the price of the Acura Integra Type S a couple of days ago. So it is $51,995. Holy crap. My initial guess really was around $48,000, and this is in USD, y'all. I know some people are watching it overseas, but this is in US dollars. So $51,995. What the hell is it not working? Sorry, y'all. One sec. Oh, dude. There we go. Okay. So essentially a $52,000 car for the Type S Acura Integra. Mind you, the MSRP, and that's MSRP. And you know the market, all the price gouges for the dealerships, they're gonna mark it up. So that's unfortunate. Luckily for me, shout out to Clinton Acura in New Jersey, they sell all their cars at MSRP. All their brand new cars, they sold it at MSRP, including this one that I got it at MSRP, which was $37,495. So the difference is between the two, $51,995 and $37,995 for this car. It's a $14,500 difference. Damn, that's a lot. So the question is it really worth me trading in this car for the Type S? So here are some factors. One, finance. I have financial goals. I reached my financial goals last year, and I have financial goals this year. This year I'm on a good track for reaching my financial goals to eventually buy a house. So that's my major financial goal. Cars, as y'all know, is a depreciating asset. So is it really worth buying something that is worth more and will depreciate eventually? So that's another factor. Second, another factor is the trading value. Used cars are still pretty high, not as high as last year or 2 years ago, but it's still pretty high compared to pre-COVID. So I was planning, okay, let me start from the beginning. I pre-ordered a 2024 Acura Integra Type S. It's gonna be a white and red interior. It's gonna look sick. I can't wait to see it this summer. Right, so I pre-ordered that. So I'm second on the list of the car to eventually come in and reach at Clinton. So that was before the price that I knew, that I found out, right? This sticky gel is pretty nice. Let's see. So now, come to find out, the price of $51,995. It's kind of, it might be out of my reach, to be honest with you. It's especially if I have financial goals in mind to eventually buy a house and move out of my uncle's house. I will still see the car that it arrives this summer, right? So here's the plan. Here is the plan. I will still see the car, right? When it arrives, probably mid to late summer, either July or August, it's gonna arrive, right? If I trade in this car, my A-spec, and the monthly payments and everything is not reasonable, I'm just gonna reject the car. No harm, no foul. If, let's say, if I trade in the value and I have to pay maybe $100, $150 more, then I might accept the car. Because mind you, I'm paying $477 a month, and that includes both the monthly payments and then with insurance. So it's about $515 a month in total, including insurance. If I trade in this car and if it's more than $650 for the Type S, to hell with that. I'm not doing that. I'd rather keep my money, save it, and buy an appreciating asset like a house. Even though interest rates are high, I still would like to reach my financial goal to buy a house. So But the Type S though, the news about it is beautiful. I don't know if you guys seen it, seen some of the videos. I checked out Ratty Rides, their experience with it. It's just a beautiful and remarkable car. I saw the press release, the videos that Acura has as well. It looks like a really attractive car. Don't get me wrong, it looks like a very, very attractive car. Okay, let me start washing this now. So if, let's say, like I said, if it financially makes sense and if it's just around the price that I was thinking, monthly payments, then yeah, I'll get the car. Why not? Because it just looks attractive. It has much more horsepower, sorry, 320 horses compared to 200 horses. The 3 exhaust tips, that looks sick. Apparently it has some pops and you know, grills from the exhaust. More horsepower, more torque, very edgy. I really love the fender body of that car. So that's the reason why I'm leaning towards the Type S and just getting it just for the hell of it, because it looks sick, it looks sexy, personally for me. And I'm already familiar with the manual transmission setup, hence this is also a manual as well. So it wouldn't be that much of a difference at all. It's pretty much the same transmission. So I'm already familiar with it, so I was like, okay, no point. But like I said before, the price is just, I don't know, what do you guys think? What were your guesses? I was thinking $47,000, $48,000 max for the Type S. But considering it's a $52,000 car, with all due respect, there are other cars that are around that range that could be better, you know, or even less. Let's say, for example, a GR Corolla. That's less than that, and it's around 300 horses, and they are ranting and raving about that car. What about a Mustang GT? It's a rear-wheel drive car. It's a different setup, but it's more powerful than a 320 horsepower Type S Acura Integra. However, it's not as nimble as the Integra. Let's keep it a buck. The Integra is more nimble than the Mustang. I drove a Mustang, very powerful car. I like it, so much fun, but that's more of a weekend type of thing. It's not as nimble. It's not a daily thing for me. That's why, it's the reason why I bought this A-Spec. To be very nimble, practical, and everything else. I love this car, but personally, I don't know. That's pretty much the dilemma that I have now, but you guys will see the car that I ordered this summer, no doubt about that. I'm not gonna retract the deposit yet. I'm not gonna tell them to give me my deposit back. I want to see if the finances make sense. If it doesn't make sense, no, bruh, I'm not spending over $650 a month for a tuned up Acura Integra. Might as well tune it up myself, you know? So that's the spiel. That's really the conclusion that I have for this car. For the Type S, let's see how the wheels come out. Very nice. Sparkly. Awesome. Yeah, that's really nice. Okay. Shout out to Chemical guys. Thank you, y'all, for this sticky citrus wheel cleaner. It's really good. All right, so I'm gonna do the rest of the wheels. So, but that's pretty much it for this video. I just wanted to tell you guys about the price of the Type S, the dilemma with it. I'm not too, you know, on board with the pricing, but it is what it is. That's Acura. It is what it is. But no sweat. So I'm gonna rush the remaining of the wheels. Have a good rest of the day washing this car. Kind of tired. I did a run like a couple hours ago, but yeah, you guys enjoy the day as well, man. Have a great rest of the week. Enjoy the weekend as well. Talk to y'all soon.